If you want to learn data visualization without spending money, accessing Tableau for free is a great option. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to use Tableau for free step by step, even if you have zero experience. Tableau offers free versions that allow you to practice and build dashboards without any cost. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Tableau website. Look for options like Try Tableau for free or Start Free Trial. Tableau usually offers a free trial of Tableau Cloud or Tableau Desktop for a limited period, which gives you access to full features. Another great option is Tableau Public, which is completely free to use. To access it, search for Tableau Public and download the application or use the web version. Tableau Public allows you to create and publish dashboards online. However, keep in mind that all your work will be publicly visible. Once you sign up or download Tableau Public, create an account using your email address. After logging in, you can start creating visualizations by connecting to data sources such as Excel files, CSV files, or Google Sheets. If you are a student, you may also be eligible for a free Tableau license through the Tableau for Students program. You can apply using your academic email and get access to Tableau Desktop and Tableau Cloud for free for a certain period. After setting up your account, explore different features like creating charts, building dashboards, and sharing your work online. Practice regularly to improve your skills and understand how data visualization works. In short, you can access Tableau for free by using the free trial, Tableau Public, or the student program, depending on your eligibility. Now that you know the options, start using Tableau today and begin your journey into data visualization. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.